Hi guys, it's Chrome Zone here. Welcome to my humble abode. Today I'm going to show you how to read sheet music. What I have here is a sheet of paper, but inside will hold something that will help you. So what we have is some music notation, some sheet music. Basically, the premise of sheet music is to give instruction, direction, and communicate to other musicians a method of time and pitch. So what we have is 5 lines on our treble and our bass clef in the time signature of 4/4. This, if you ask, is called a grand staff or a grand stave. This direction is based on time, and this direction is based on pitch. So what I have over here is some music, time and pitch. What I'm going to do with my pen here is just write down the notes slowly so you gotta understand what it is that these notes are, because this is important. What we have here is this note here, and this is an E, right? So we start off the treble clef with an E, and then we build on that, because in alphabetical order it will be A to G, right? A to G. So this starts on E, and then we build on that. We go, what is 2 up from E? 2 up from E is G, right? And then we build on that. What is 2 up from G? B. From there, what is 2 semitones in music terms up from B? That will be D. What is 2 semitones up from D? This is the worst drawn D ever. What is 2 semitones up from D? And that'll be F, right? So E, G, B, D, and F. And the acronym that best works with this is every good boy deserves fruit. Every good boy deserves fruit. And then, in between these lines, you just fill in the gaps, right? Once you've got this, you've pretty much got the treble clef. So this will be F, A, C, E. The way this is easy to understand is it's got the word face already written there. So that's really simple and easy to understand. Now with the bass clef, what's interesting about the bass clef is it's based on 2 semitones down from here, right? We've got G here, but on the bass, it's G here, right? 2 down. So that's like the most easy way ever you could understand what's written on the bass clef, is just basing it off the treble clef, right? So good bands deserve free alcohol. That's one of my favorites. And then all cows eat grass. Cool. So now you've got it. So we got every good boy deserves fruit, face, good bands deserve free alcohol, and all cows eat grass. And that's how you can read the treble, and that's how you can read the bass, right? Treble, bass. Pretty simple, right? The easy part of sheet music is understanding the pitch, right? But the hard part is understanding the rhythm, the time part of it. And that's something that every single musician works on daily to be able to understand. So, thank you for watching this quick tutorial.